Imagine stepping onto your city balcony, leaving the noise behind. Instead, you're greeted by the scent of basil, the sight of cherry tomatoes, and the gentle buzz of bees. This isn't a countryside fantasy, it's your own urban oasis. Even the smallest balcony or windowsill can become a thriving garden. Urban gardening is about transforming overlooked spaces into vibrant, productive corners. It's a way to de-stress, reconnect with nature, and enjoy fresh food right at home. Tending to plants, even briefly, grounds you in the present and brings a sense of calm. Watching a seed sprout and grow is a magical, rewarding process. You don't need a backyard or endless time, just a willingness to try. Your windowsill, fire escape, or patio can all become gardens. This guide is for beginners, for those who think they have a black thumb, and for anyone who sees only limitations in their space. We'll turn those limitations into creative opportunities. You'll learn to build a green sanctuary, one pot at a time. Forget what you think you know about gardening. We'll make it simple, fun, and rewarding. The joy you'll find is far bigger than the space it occupies. Let's start this journey together. Your urban epic garden starts today, ready to grow. The most important tool for any gardener isn't a trowel, it's your mindset. The urban epic gardening mindset is simple. You can grow something, right where you are, with what you have. You don't need a perfect setup or years of experience, just curiosity and a willingness to try. Every expert started with a single seed and learned from mistakes. See potential everywhere. A sunny windowsill becomes an herb garden, a bare wall of vertical canvas. Stop focusing on what you lack, start seeing what you have. Every patch of sunlight, every empty corner is an invitation to grow. Your first garden won't look like a magazine, and that's okay. The goal isn't perfection, it's learning and growing. Some plants will thrive, some won't. Each outcome is a lesson. Maybe that spot was too shady for tomatoes, but perfect for spinach. The epic mindset means you observe, adjust, and try again. Let go of the fear of failure. You absolutely can do this. We'll start small with just 1 or 2 plants and build your confidence step by step. This isn't about creating a farm overnight, it's about adding a little green to your life. Your journey is unique to your space and your life. Embrace it, have fun, and get ready to be amazed. The adventure is just beginning. Let's grow together. Before you buy seeds or pots, become an observer. Sunlight is your plant's fuel. Track where and how long the sun hits your space throughout the day. Most edibles need at least 6 hours of direct sun, full sun. 4 to 6 hours is part sun, less than 4 is shade. Knowing your sun exposure determines what you can grow. Next, consider wind. Windy balconies dry out soil and can damage plants. Measure your space so you know how many containers fit comfortably. Make sure you can reach your plants for watering and care. Think about your water source. Will you need to carry water from the kitchen? Check your building's rules about balcony or railing use. Planning isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation for a thriving garden. Observe, measure, and plan. Your future self will thank you. A little preparation now saves frustration later. Your garden's success starts with smart observation. Let's get ready to grow. Containers are the urban gardener's best friend. They let you garden anywhere, balcony, windowsill, or even concrete. Choose from terracotta, plastic, wood, or fabric grow bags. Just make sure they have drainage holes. Good drainage prevents root rot, the most common beginner mistake. Use potting mix, not garden soil. Urban soil is often poor and may contain contaminants. Potting mix is lightweight, holds moisture, and provides roots with air and nutrients. Invest in quality potting mix for healthy plants. Upcycle containers, old buckets, crates, or boots. Just clean them and add drainage holes. Upcycling saves money and adds personality to your garden. Containers give you control over your plant's environment. They're the key to unlocking your urban space's potential. Fill them with good potting mix and you're ready to plant. Simple, creative, and effective. That's container gardening. Let's get planting. Choosing the right plants builds your confidence as a new gardener. If you get 6 or more hours of sun, try basil, rosemary, thyme, or oregano, herbs that thrive in containers. Compact veggies like patio princess tomatoes, bush beans, and peppers are perfect for sunny spots. For 4 to 6 hours of sun, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard do well. Herbs like mint, chives, parsley, and cilantro prefer part sun and cooler temps. Less than 4 hours of sun? Focus on shade-tolerant greens, like arugula and certain lettuces. Mint, chives, and parsley can handle low light. You can also grow beautiful foliage plants like hostas or coleus in shade. Every space has potential. Match your plants to your light. Start with easy, resilient varieties for quick wins. Success with these plants will inspire you to try more. Your first harvest is closer than you think. Let's pick the perfect plants for your space. In small spaces, go vertical. Use trellises for vining plants like beans or cucumbers. Grow up, not out. Try vertical planters, stacked pots, or wall-mounted pockets for herbs and strawberries. Tiered planters and hanging fabric pockets multiply your growing area. Shelving units can hold rows of pots. Think in 3 dimensions. DIY hacks like pallet gardens are budget-friendly and space-efficient. Use heat-treated pallets, staple fabric to create pockets, and fill with soil for a rustic vertical planter. Railing planters and hanging baskets turn unused space into productive garden rows. These strategies free up floor space and boost your harvest. Combine vertical and DIY ideas to transform your balcony into a lush, multi-layered garden. Even the tiniest space can become a green oasis. Creativity is your best tool. Let's build up your garden, literally. Once planted, your garden needs simple, regular care. Watering is key. Check soil with your finger. Water when it's dry an inch down. Water thoroughly so roots get a full drink. Mornings are best. Be a pest detective. Inspect leaves and new growth every few days. Remove pests by hand, or use insecticidal soap if needed. Healthy, well-watered plants resist pests better. Feed your plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2-4 weeks. Organic options like liquid kelp or fish emulsion work well. Keep a simple record. Note what you plant, when you water, and when you harvest. These notes help you learn and improve each season. Observation and routine turn beginners into experienced gardeners. Caring for your plants becomes a peaceful, rewarding habit. Consistency is the secret to a thriving garden. Enjoy the rhythm of tending your green space. Mistakes are part of gardening. Embrace them as learning opportunities. Overcrowding is common. Don't plant too many seeds in one pot. Plants need space for roots and leaves to thrive. Poor air circulation from crowding leads to disease. Always check seed packets for recommended spacing. Thin seedlings if needed. It's tough, but necessary. Avoid containers that are too small. Roots need room to grow. Root-bound plants can't absorb water or nutrients well. Choose a pot that's a bit bigger than you think you need. Try succession planting. Sow a few seeds every couple of weeks for a steady harvest. This works well for greens and fast-growing crops. Don't get discouraged if a plant dies. An empty pot is a new opportunity. Figure out what went wrong and try something new. Every setback is a step toward becoming a better gardener. Resilience is key. Keep growing. Keep learning. Your garden will thank you. The first time you harvest something you grew, it's pure magic. Whether it's a single tomato or a handful of basil, the satisfaction is immense. Homegrown food tastes better, picked at peak ripeness, full of flavor. Sharing your harvest with friends or family adds to the joy. Your first success proves you can do this. It builds confidence to try new plants and expand your garden. Add a new container each season. Grow your oasis at your own pace. Experiment with new varieties, colors, and flavors. Every season is a chance to learn and discover. Your small space is a personal laboratory for creativity. The joy of the first harvest is just the beginning. Each new plant, each new season, brings more rewards. Urban gardening is a journey, one that keeps giving. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Your epic gardening adventure is underway. The best is yet to come. Keep growing.